Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Duo Kimberlite. Today again we are going to discuss on an important scholarship. The scholarship sponsored by the L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science Scholarship Program 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, Pune College Arts, Commerce, Science, Camp, Pune, India, Maharashtra. Last 34 years I'm teaching in Pune College and 20 years I work as an NCC officer and 10 years I'm working as a scholarship in charge. During this 10 years, I've been seeing number of students, their requirement, their problems, and I have been offered scholarships to the students especially the Turkey scholarship, and 30 students from my college has got 100% scholarship to pursue their higher education in Turkey universities in Turkey. And these students are from the downtrodden families whose income is very less, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. And these students has done their engineering or science, arts with B.Ed and got the job in Turkey as well as in India. One of student has gone for integrated PhD program in US on 100% scholarship. This is what I have achieved in my tenure. And due to the lockdown, we have learned how to upload the videos on YouTube. So I wanted to share my experience about the national as well as the international scholarship, and most of the students can get benefited. And those downtrodden family students can get the scholarship and support to complete their higher education, complete their dream, goal. So this is what I have intention. So this is the one time I'm going to prepare next year. Keep this one. Those who are there in the uh, in other classes before have this 12th standard. After the 12th standard scholarship which are given, or those who are there 1 or 2 years, they have been planned properly. The parent has to plan how to where the sources are there. They have to find out and start preparing the career planning for their child. Here, the L'Oreal India giving a young woman in science scholarship program. And in this, what is there? It is a countrywide initiative which encourages and support young women to pursue their careers in science. It is initiated in 2003 and empowered around 385 young women from economically disadvantaged background to pursue higher education in a specific field of recognized college or university in India. A scholarship of rupees 2 lakh 50,000 is awarded to each of the promising young women to cover their college fees. Last date will be the tentative is the October 21. See the highlights of the scholarship. Scholarship will be sponsored by L'Oreal India, first year woman in science. Full form L'Oreal India for young women in science scholarship. Organizing body is L'Oreal India Foundation. Gender only for the girl student. Course UG course in science, medical, engineering, IT, or any science based subjects. Application online and the last date will be tentative is the October 21. By providing the financial support to pursue the scientific education, the student and reinforces the vocation of the woman in scientific discipline. L'Oreal India for Young Women in Science program is an extension of the International L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in Science partnership. For more detail, you can log on to https slash colon slash slash bit.ly slash FYWIS 2020. See first the eligibility for this scholarship. It is mandatory to be complete the eligibility criteria defined by the L'Oreal India. The authority to hold all the rights to cancel the candidature of the candidates, and if they are not eligible at any point of time. Applicant must show keen interest in pursuing a career in the field of science. Scholarship is only for the girls. Girl student who has passed 12th standard in science stream with a minimum aggregates of 85% marks in PCM, PCB or PCMB. Girl student in current academic year can also apply for first year. Current academic year can also apply. Student must be taking admission in any science related undergraduate courses at any recognized college or institute in India in the respective academic year. The upper age limit is 19 years. Annual income of the applicant must be not more than 4 lakh rupees. Benefits: the candidates will be who is selected for this young woman in the science scholarship by the L'Oreal India will awarded following things. In equal installments, the selected candidates can get 2 lakh 50,000 till the time they graduate their college successfully. 2 lakh 50,000. It must be noted that the winner will get the scholarship amount for the next graduating year only if they provide proof of having passed in the previous year. Yes, so every year they have to renew. To apply for the Young Women Science Scholarship provided by the L'Oreal India, the student will has to require to visit the official application portal of FYWIS. Before filling the FWIS application form, the candidate must go through eligibility criteria. They have to read thoroughly. Applicants can fill the details, upload the required documents in high resolution, and submit the application form online mode. What are the documents are required for this particular scholarship? Attested copy of age proof, Aadhaar card, birth certificate, passport, voter ID, self-attested copy of the parent income certificate issued by the government body or salary slip issued by the permanent employer or form 16, that is income tax return form, mark sheet of 10th standard attested by the school authorities, mark sheet of the 12th attested by the school authorities. How you can apply the L'Oreal India for young women in science scholarship application? You have to fill on https://bit.li slash FYWIS 2020. Click the start application and button to begin the application. Fill the required detail online application form, upload necessary document in high resolution, submit the button to complete. Once you feel that whatever the information you feel it is correct, then enter the submit. In case if you have any problem on this website to fill this form, then you can register on any scholarship portal, and from that account you can apply for this scholarship also. There are a number of portals are there. Based on the application form, document verification, candidate can scan and shortlisted for the telephonic interview round. Yes, there will be a round, telephonic round is there. So no need to change your mobile number. See that the mobile which you are there, it should be always with you. After the successful round of a telephonic interview, a video call jury round of interview will be conducted, and this round could be attended by candidate and at least one of their parents or guardian. See, video conferencing also done by the L'Oreal India. Based on the performance of the candidates in the interview rounds and fulfillment of the eligibility criteria, the names of the selected candidate will be announced within the 20 days of the conduct of the video conferencing round. In case any query or more information, student can contact the L'Oreal India authorities at the below given contact details. They are given the email ID so that directly you can contact on them FYWIS L'Oreal at buddy4study.com or 011 430-92248, extension 117. Buddy for Study, that is also a portal. On that portal, you can register your account, make a register account, and from their account also you can apply. I hope this is the clear. And the L'Oreal India for young women in science scholarship, 2,50,000 till graduation. You're going to get the scholarship. But in this, the L'Oreal India will take your telephonic interview as well as video conferencing with the applicant as well as one of the parents. So whatever the documents are there, 10th standard, 12th standard, Aadhaar card, 10 mark sheet, 12 mark sheet, yes, where you have taken the admission, then their admission fee, receipt, whatever the required document is there, it is there, which is given in the subscription. So you can go on the subscription. You can go to and visit my PCGO Kimberlite for other scholarships also, and refer any of your family friends or your friends to go and visit this PCGO Kimberlite. Around I'm going to visit 50 to 60 scholarships. So those who are needy, they can go and get the information and get the scholarship. Thank you. Have a nice day.